We could use a warm-up, not a 90s warm-up, but a little warm-up.
Yeah, and we're going to get it, too, at the end of the week. I'll tell you what, though, the clouds cleared off tonight enough to show us some really cool sights in the skies. Check this one out. This is called the circumzenithal arc, and there's the sun. Haven't seen it yet. It's coming. And there it is. See that?
Yeah.
It's often called a smile in the sky.
The circumzenithal arc?
Yes. And it only happens when you have these kinds of clouds, these high, thin cirrus clouds that are made of ice crystals, and they have to all be floating and oriented the same way because the sun goes in one side of that ice crystal, the flat side, and gets refracted out the thin side of that crystal. And so all those crystals have to be in the same plane, basically. And the sun can't be too high in the sky or too low in the sky. They're really not that rare, but normally people don't look up and see them because they are separated from the sun. So Bruce Spanauer got this video with his drone and sent it on in. So Bruce, we appreciate that video of the circumzenithal arc, which is really, really cool. Hey, out in the sky right now, there's the moon, and Venus has been very visible near the moon. It looks like we've lost it to the West Hills right here, but nonetheless, the moon shining brightly in the sky, and the moon, the planet Venus, super bright. You can't miss it out there if it's still up. 57 degrees in Portland right now. We look out at the coast. It's a little bit cooler at 50 at Newport, and the clouds are beginning to thicken up there. But we're really going to see a lot of clearing. Now, notice there are some clouds drifting south over us. We had some mid-level clouds come over with just a weak disturbance that's rolling around this other area of low pressure that's now north up around Jasper and Banff National Park in BC and Alberta. So this will continue, and one of those on Thursday and then again Friday may spark a few thunderstorms moving north to south over the Cascades. And some of those could drift over the valley, but for the most part, we will be dry. The odds of any one location in the valley getting a thunderstorm or even a shower really quite low. High pressure building over, so some really nice weather. They could use it in the Southwest Pacific. See that right there? That is a typhoon, which is the exact same kind of storm as a hurricane. And this one is hammering Guam right now. Guam is that island. It is a U.S. territory. There's a big U.S. Air Force base there, Anderson Air Force Base. And that is located at the northern end of Guam, which is right where Typhoon Mawar is making landfall basically right about now. It's going to cruise right across the northern tip of the island. Winds sustained at 140 miles an hour. It's generating 45-foot swells, massive storm surge. Big problem for the folks in Guam, and they're used to getting typhoons. They're right in the zone there. This will move on off to the west in the days ahead and may threaten other parts of Asia. Meanwhile, for Memorial Day weekend, we've got a great forecast coming our way. Partly sunny all 3 days, a little bit cooler on Sunday and then warming up again on Monday, but really great conditions there. And tomorrow morning, small patch of low clouds, mainly East County, Clackamas County, then it burns off, and then we're basically in the clear until Saturday morning when those low clouds will begin to return. So that low pressure slowly moves away, northerly flow Thursday and Friday, enough to give us that chance of a thunderstorm here, a little disturbance in the upper atmosphere. Then westerly flow kicks back in for cooler weather this weekend. You know, David mentioned the 90s. We may see that again middle or end of next week. So we'll wait and see on that one. But it's going to be great weather for the weekend. Our high today was 67 in Portland, hot spot in Oregon, the 72 in the Dalles and in Medford. Outside right now, it is 57 and the freezing level up around 9,100 feet. So mostly sunny tomorrow after morning clouds. It'll be warmer than today. We'll crack 70 for the first time in several days. Then we're in the 80s on Thursday and Friday, David. But the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Memorial Day weekend looks great. No rain, maybe a little morning drizzle, but not much of that, and sun in the afternoons.
Looking great. Thanks, Matt.